We've done it?
Under 7 days.
Under 7 days? No way! Come on! Okay, the time has come. I've got to hit the roads and I'm leaving the house and I've got to leave Little Storm. I've got to go to work. Yeah, I've got to go to work and I'm going to bring you something back really special as well. Yeah? Okay. See you when I get back. We're close now. Oh wow. Wow. 18F again. Oh, look at that. That is something else. It just makes me think of the film Gladiator. Like, can you actually believe people used to like fight to the death down there? It just blows my mind. Wow. Oh my god, look at that. That's just completely breathtaking. I don't know what the frick alarm that's for. Just hanging out for this. Come on! A new Guinness World Record has been set. Get in there! No way! Come on! Just about to see my family, which I haven't seen for ages, and give Storm the llama. Hello! Hello, Storm, it's the llama! Oh, hello, God, I've missed you. I've missed you. Hello. Oh. Oh my God, and there's these two. Hello, Rocky. Oh, look at you. Nice to